Hi friends, this video shows how to cast MetaQuest 3 to TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, let me open this MetaQuest app. This app I installed from Google Play Store. I already connected this app to MetaQuest 3. That is why you are seeing MetaQuest 3 connected status here. So here you can see cast option. Using this cast option, we can cast MetaQuest 3 to this mobile phone, but our goal is to cast MetaQuest 3 to TV. So let me go to home screen, then open Google Play Store. We need to install this app, Google Home app. I already installed it. Let me open Google Home app. In Google Home app, we have to log in with a Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Let me go to devices tab. Tap here. So here you can see Android TV. This is a name of the Android TV which I am using. If you are using Google TV, you would see the name of Google TV here. Please note that we have to connect MetaQuest 3, then this mobile phone, then TV, Android TV or Google TV, whatever. All these three devices to same Wi-Fi network. That is very important. All these three devices, TV, mobile phone and MetaQuest 3, these three devices should be in same Wi-Fi network. So here, using this Google Home app, we can cast from mobile phone to TV. Okay, so using Google Home app, we can cast from mobile phone to TV. Using MetaQuest app, we can cast from MetaQuest 3 to mobile phone. So first let me start the casting from mobile phone to TV. Tap on TV name, then tap on cast my screen, tap on cast screen, then tap on start now. Done. So now I have started casting from mobile phone to TV. Then let me go to MetaQuest app. Next I am going to start casting from MetaQuest app to mobile phone. So before that, make sure that MetaQuest is on. Okay, now I have started MetaQuest 3 headset. Then tap on cast. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Connecting to MetaQuest 3. Please wait. Okay, you can see casting has started from MetaQuest 3 to mobile phone. So now I have started both casting from MetaQuest 3 to mobile phone using MetaQuest app, then mobile phone to TV using Google Home app. Let me wear this headset. See, you can see that casting is working. Okay, next let me check the TV. You can see casting is working in TV as well. So this way we can cast MetaQuest 3 to TV. Next I will show you how to stop this casting. So first we have to stop casting from MetaQuest 3 to mobile phone using MetaQuest app. Then we can stop casting from mobile phone to TV using Google Home app. Let me do that. First, let me stop casting from MetaQuest 3 to mobile phone. Tap on the screen, then tap on this icon, then tap on stop casting. Done. Then let me go to Google Home app, then stop casting from mobile phone to TV. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this way we can cast MetaQuest 3 to TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.